Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 7, 2022, diagonal Sudoku, 5th grade, and 8th row. We have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 5th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. 7th row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. 5th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column B, and in this diagonal, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 3rd grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 1st grade, we have 8. 9th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. In this diagonal, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. In this diagonal, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. In this diagonal, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 8. 3rd row, column I, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 4th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 9th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column H, 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 4. 8th grade, and column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. 9th gate, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column I, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in one of 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd gate, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. 3rd row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5. Column H, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column G, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 4th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 2nd row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 2nd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 1st grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column H, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column J, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.